Everyone. My name is Damilari Oladoso. I'm just going to go over the my final project for the class, and the name of the site is Peer Survey, and this this site is pretty much to collect information from students and their parents, which will be useful to the school administration to better prepare for the student body. Um, so the primary audience of the site is the school students and the parents as well. Um, so let's see. So the scope of the project itself, it's a site of 4 pages, and we have the home page, which is what we're currently looking at. We have the home survey, um, which is where the students will take their own survey, and then there's a school survey, which the parents will take to kind of gauge their participation in their kids' school activities. And then there is the final page, which sort of display the result in a graphical form. Um, so for the skeleton of the app itself, I pretty much uh, what I wrote down originally as part of the project. I decided once I realized that the final project was going to be 3 pages. I decided that this was the best way to go. Um, and on the surface, there's really not much here to say other than it is an HTML app, and we also have the fav icon being displayed at the top, and that would kind of just push me into talking about the implementation of the site. So I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the process of developing the site. Some additional libraries that I used was um, jQuery validation as well, to kind of validate the form on the page. And I mean, if you know, now that I'm thinking about it, I remember I ran into I had to make a decision on some of the pages where to use PHP or to use JavaScript because it felt like both of them can do the same thing. So I'll just go ahead and demo the site now. So we're currently on the home page. I'm clicking on the logo PO survey, and that takes me back to the home page. The home link also do the same thing. Then we have the home survey link at the top, which takes you to the survey for the students. We have the school survey, and we have this here that kind of highlight your location as you navigate the site. And then we have the survey results. So I'll go back to the home page, and this link here, Start Survey, takes you right to survey for students. You can also see the results from here. The home survey here as well takes you to the student. And say I'm in kindergarten, and I go to Cunningham, and I'm a female, and I sleep 8 hours a day. And I submit that. I see that this changed. So this is 5 male, 10 for female. And let me do that again. Reset. Go back to the home survey. So that was 5 for male. So let's go to pre-K this time. Go to Talker and take male and say you have slept 9 hours because I love to sleep. And I see that the male has become 6. All right, for the school survey, this is for the parents. So um, just to see how involved you are in your kids' activities. And I'm checking that, and I see that that goes along as well. For validation, if I just click this, I'll get validation here. And for here as well, if I click the survey without answering the question, I'll get this validation in the bottom here. So again, thank you very much. And I really enjoyed the class, and I look forward to seeing my result. All right, thank you. Bye.